we divide 561 by 2 in a long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 6 and it is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 1 and 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no other numbers to put it down. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 561 divided by 2 is 280 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.